Okay, just market say we just got free from the market, guys. Now we are going to a place. It's called a beach. You might be wondering, beach on the mountains. Well, it's basically the Kiewa River, but the local people call it a beach here because it has sand onto one of the corners of the river. Yeah, it's kind of a mini beach and a river mixed together. So that's what it is. It's around about 15 minutes drive from Mount Beauty, and it's a very hidden spot. Not everyone knows about it. It's just the local people who know about it and who are regular visitor of that place. They only know about it. So we came to know about this spot when we were here last year during summer. One of our friend took us there, so that's how we know about the spot. So let's head there and I'll see you guys back shortly. Finally we are here, guys. We're in the middle of a jungle, right? Can you hear the birds chirping? We love this place. And can you hear the river yet or no? Let's walk through. Let's walk through. Wow. Okay. Looks like we're passing through a jungle. Oh, this is a lovely place, guys. Oh, look at this place. So guys, this is the reason why we call this a beach, because obviously you can see a bit of sand here, and Summer has decided to take a dip. Probably she'll have a swim here. I'm not too sure what am I gonna do. I'll have to have a look at the water and see how it is. Can you hear the birds? Lovely place. It's like beautiful. We are heading back, guys. We were here for half an hour. The water is actually really very cold. So we decided, Summer changed the clothes and she went in for 5 or 10 minutes, but then she decided it's way too cold, so she came back. So this is basically where the car is parked. The road is there. You will see a car going there from that side. So we are just next to the road, but it's like kind of a secluded spot where less people know about it. Okay, so let's head back. I'll see you guys shortly.